What's up guys, it's Exu from Next Gen Crypto. Today I'm going to explain why I believe Bitcoin is going to top in September and why altcoins are likely to top sometimes in October. If this is the kind of content that you enjoy, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell. Before we get started, do keep in mind that nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just my personal analysis of the crypto market. Your analysis could be different, and if it is, that's awesome because the more difference of opinion that we have, the better traders and the better investors we are going to become. Let's get started after this intro. Started with the Bitcoin cycle. This is a past from Peter Brandit, who is a really well-known trader. He trades Bitcoin as well, obviously, and he basically is arguing here that if you actually look at the previous cycle and the time between tops or time between bottoms, regardless of whether it's time to between tops, time between bottoms, or from halving. Based on this detailed analysis, we believe that Bitcoin is likely the top sometimes between September 15th and September 28th. The range for the top somewhere between $125,000 to $145,000. And this might sound crazy. I'm sure some people in the comment will be saying, oh no, it's not possible, or Bitcoin is going to go much higher. But the thing is, it's easy to forget that when you look at the Bitcoin here on the weekly chart, two things stand out. The first is that Bitcoin has already been rallying a lot over the last couple of years, that could say almost 2 years now. You can make the argument that Bitcoin's breakout started basically back in late 2024 and that we are now entering this final breakout that leads to the cycle top. We can even measure this range. Bitcoin was chopping between around $80,000 at the lower range and $1,000 at the range upper. The difference between those two levels is around $30,000. So with Bitcoin now breaking above this $1,000 level, that suggests that we basically add $30,000 to that one, and that would give us a Bitcoin cycle top of somewhere around $140,000, which is consistent with Peter Brand's call. So that's one thing. The second factor has to do with the global liquidity cycle. With getting too detailed, the global liquidity cycle at the recording, these things, global cycle liquidity can be explained through debit differential. Every 4 or 5 years, instructions have to roll over their habits. These forecast center banks creates additional money, additional liquidity, so that initial can reverse this result in a liquidity room, and then eventually a liquidity drain. According to Michael Howell, the next references will come in 2026. This is kind of spoiler for tomorrow's video about why I think the crypto market is likely to crash in November and December. But the point is that global liquidity, according to Howell, and even various M2 prisoner, you can see M2 measure is likely to peak sometimes in Q3. Now we are, of course, there always a lag effect. Even in liquidity, technology starts decline in Q3. Crypto tends to rally for another few months because it lacks liquidity by around 3 months. So again, not the get into too many things. The key point is that the liquidity cycle suggests that crypto. Now, of course, there are always a lag effect. Even if liquidity technology starts to decline in Q3, this aligns with other indicators that you may have seen floating around on X. So, just to summarize why I believe Bitcoin is going to top in September, it's considering that with a historical Bitcoin is going to top in September is consistent with historical Bitcoin cycle and is also consistent with the liquidity cycle, which suggests that the liquidity is going to peak sometimes around Q3, which of course lasts until the end of September. Okay, and that's my take on Bitcoin is likely to top on September, while altcoins could see their peak in October. Remember that this is just a personal analysis, not a financial advice, so always do your own research before making any investment decision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming breakdown on why the market could turn bearish later this year. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart in the market. Peace.